Good morning, students. Again, I am meeting you in my 4th class of mathematics. Now you see, just one review. Last class what I did, I will recall you for that. See one question here I wrote. Students, I read this question. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? What do you mean by multiples? Can you say that? Multiples are the factors. For example, multiple 4 is 4 itself. Multiple of 12, even 4 is the multiple of 12. 20, 4 is the multiple of 20. Like that, he is asking the multiples between 10 and 250. The first number divided by 4 is 12 after 10. So I can write the multiples of 4, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. See the last number, it is 250, but 250 is not the multiple of 4. I write 248 divided by 4. 4 6 are 24, 4 2s are 8. Then the last number is 248. 248. Now, see the question. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So, I have written the multiples of 4. Now I can apply. Given the first number is 12. The difference 16 minus 12, 4. Keep this 248 as the last term. Nth term 248. Then how many multiples means how many numbers are between these? N is equal to question mark. How to find this? Use this formula. In my last class I have given the formula, nth term formula, as An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. The last number is 248. The first term is 12. How many terms? N. And the difference is 4. Multiples of 4. 248 minus transpose this 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. Minus 12, it is nothing but 6, 3, 2 divided by 4 is equal to n minus 1. If I divide this to 5s are, here it is 4 5s are 20. And 4 9s are 36. 49 is equal to n minus 1. Transpose minus 1. 59 plus 1, number of terms. So number of terms therefore is 16. Students, like that, you can write some numbers between multiples of 3, for example 10 to 250, multiples of 7. You can try writing the multiples of some numbers. Now here you see the next problem. Students, I read this question. You see, the sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24, and the sum of the 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of an AP. Here in this problem, first you take the given and try to find A and D. Then you can apply A plus D, A plus 2D, the 3 terms. See the given in this problem. Sum of the 4th term, A 4th term, plus is the sum, A 8th term is equal to 24. Similarly, the sum of the 6th term, A 6th plus A 10th is equal to 44. You write down that and then you solve the problem. A4 can be written as A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 24. Add the like terms. A plus A, 2A plus D plus D, 10D is equal to 24. We call this equation as 1. The first equation, A plus 5D, 6th term, plus A plus 9D is equal to 44. Add the like terms, 2A, then 9 plus 5, 14D is equal to 44. You take it as the second equation. So there are two equations. Solve these two equations. Solving the two equations, 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. 2A plus 4D is equal to 44. By subtraction method, change the signs. Cancel the same terms. Then here it is nothing but minus 4D is equal to minus 20. Then therefore D difference will be minus 20 divided by minus 4. Therefore it is D is 5. Take the first equation, 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. That is the first equation you got. The value of D just now I have found 5. Substitute 5 in D. 2A plus 10 into 5 is equal to 24. 2a plus 50 is equal to 24. Transpose this one. 2a is equal to 24 minus 50. A is equal to the value, the difference divided by 2. It will be minus 26. 2 1s are 2 3s are. You see the first value is minus 13. The three terms are A plus D, A plus 2D. A is minus 13, minus 13 plus 5, minus 13 plus 2 into 5. Therefore, the obtained AP minus 13 minus 8 minus 3 are the three terms. Students, now I am continuing the next topic, arithmetic series. What do you mean by arithmetic series? Arithmetic series is an arithmetic progression in which between the terms there should be a plus sign to find the sum of arithmetic progression. You see now this problem. Here an arithmetic series, because in between the terms plus sign is there. So it is an arithmetic series. Find the sum of the given arithmetic series. The given arithmetic series like this. I am going to write this in reverse order. S is equal to 100 plus 99 plus so on plus 2 plus 1. Just to add these two, you see what happens next. Can you guess that? One is like terms. 2s. 1 plus 100, 101. Plus 2 plus 99, 101. Like this. Last also 101. Plus 101. There are 100 terms where n is equal to 100. Note that. So I can write this mathematical sentence. 2s is equal to 100 times 101. There are 101, 100. So s is equal to 100 into 101 by 2. 2, 5, 0, 100 is equal to, if you multiply these two, 0, 5, 0, 5 is the answer. This is the sum of 100 terms. 100 terms. From this, I can give a formula. I can write that in this. The obtained formula is Sn n into n plus 1 divided by 2. You can observe this. 1 by 2. This is the sum of arithmetic series. Here when you have to apply this, when the difference is 1, where the difference equal to 1, you can apply on integers and whole numbers, any numbers. The second formula, I can write the second formula in this way. Sn n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You have to apply this when the difference is more than 100, where d is more than 100 or more than 1. You have to apply this when d is more than 1. D is 2, 5. Like this. The third formula I can write. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Here l means an, the last term. So these three formulae we can apply to find the sum of arithmetic series. When d is equal to 1, we can apply n into n plus 1 by 2. When d is equal to greater than 1, we can apply the second formula. When the last term and the first term are given, then you can apply the third formula. We will do some problems on this Zoom. Now it is very important time how to apply the following formula. You see this question. Find the sum of, but here it is comma is given, AP, of the first 22 terms. In the given you got n is equal to 22. Now you have to write in the given 8 plus 3 plus minus 2 plus so on. To find this sum, first to take A is 8. B is equal to 3 minus 8. A2 minus A1 minus 5. The number of terms here 22. Then find the sum is equal to question mark. Here n is equal to 22. 22 term sum. Now you see the difference is not equal to 1, less than or more than 1. You can apply the second formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you have to substitute the values in the formula. S22 term sum. N is 22 by 2 bracket 2 into 8 plus N22 minus 1 into D minus 5. Like this you have to substitute. Here 2 11s are. So 11, 16 plus 21 into minus 5 is equal to 11. 16 minus 5, 105 is equal to 11 into minus 105 plus 16 minus 105 plus 16 9 89 minus 89 are 99. 11 8s are 88 plus 9. 97 minus is the sum of 22 terms. Like this, you have to apply the formula. Students, now I will change the values in the data. You see this problem. If the sum of the first 14 terms, I can write given. Sum of 14 terms is equal to 1050. So 14 terms, you know that n is equal to 14. And its first term, you know first term is A. Find the 20th term, A20, question mark. To find this, first you have to find D. D is not given here. Sum is given. So you apply the second formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 1050 is equal to n by 2. I can write n as 14 by 2. 2. A is 10 plus 14 minus 1 into d you can find. So here it is 7, so 14. 1050 divided by 7, cross multiplication, is 20 plus 13d. 13d. Here 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35 and 0. Therefore, 150 minus 20 is equal to 13d. Nothing but 130 divided by 13 is the difference. Ones are, that is d is equal to 10. So you got d is equal to 10. So I will write again, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10. To find a20 term, question mark. So n is equal to 20 here. Please note that. Then an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A 20th term is equal to 10 plus 20 minus 1 into 10 is equal to 10 plus 19 into 10. A 20th term is equal to 10 plus 190 is equal to 200. Students, you have understood some problems. Now assignment time for you. I will read the assignments. Find the sum of the given AP 34, 32, 30. The last term is 10. In an AP given 12th term 37, D3 find the first term and sum of the 12 terms. In an AP given the difference 5, 9 term sum 75 and find the first term and the 9th term. The first and the last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? These 4 questions you try. In my next class, I will continue this arithmetic series. You will come to know more about this. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.